Kuala Lumpur, Nikkei Markets, Malaysia's AirAsia Group, the largest discount carrier by fleet in Southeast Asia, Friday reported a 16% growth in passenger traffic in the first quarter thanks to demand in most of its major markets. Passenger traffic rose to 10.65 million in January to March while capacity grew 19% to 12.20 million seats, AirAsia Group said in a statement. Load factor, a measure of how full planes are with paying passengers, declined by 2 percentage points to 87% from 89% in the year-ago quarter. Shares of AirAsia climbed after the preliminary operating statistics was released. Analysts said air travel demand appears to remain healthy in key markets for AirAsia even as capacity grew faster than traffic. AirAsia has become more market-savvy, and with its existing routes profitable, it's able to afford discounts to build up newer routes, said Hong Leong Investment Bank's analyst Daniel Wong. During the quarter, AirAsia operated 123 aircraft and 67,556 flights, a 19% increase when compared to the same period last year. The company added 3 new routes in Indonesia, 4 new destinations from Philippines, and increased frequencies on 13 routes in Malaysia. Passenger carried grew 16% in Malaysia and Thailand, while that in the Philippines rose 39% in the quarter. Traffic at India and Japan operations surged more than 70% but fell 2% in Indonesia as volcanic eruption of Mount Agung in the highly popular Bali Island forced cancellation of dozens of flights. The passengers carried and load factor are slightly above expectations, said Kenanga Investment Bank's analyst Joe Lum. We are still positive on AirAsia's prospect as the impact from higher fuel costs likely be mitigated by its strong pricing power. Jet fuel prices have been climbing along with crude oil prices, averaging $78 a barrel in the first quarter this year compared to $65.60 a barrel for the whole of 2017, according to the International Air Transport Association. AirAsia's long-haul affiliate AirAsia meanwhile reported on Thursday that load factor remained flat at 84% in the first quarter of the year, despite 14% on-year increase in capacity, outpacing the 13% growth of passenger traffic. Shares of AirAsia ended 6.2% higher at 3.97 ringgit on Friday, while those of AirAsia ended unchanged at 0.38 ringgit. The benchmark FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI closed 0.6% higher. GHO Chi Yuan and Alexander Wynne